Deep beneath the Earth's crust, a group of geothermal energy workers were having a heated debate. Why do we dig so deep? Asked Bob, scratching his head. To find the Earth's hot secrets, replied Jane with a wink. I heard the core's got a hot temper, chuckled Mike. Yeah, but it's a great source of power, added Sarah, adjusting her hard hat. Suddenly the ground rumbled. Uh-oh, did we wake the earth up? Bob joked nervously. Jane grinned. Nah, it's just the earth snoring. It's tired of us poking around. They all laughed, realizing they were just tiny ants in the grand scheme of things.